Look, listen to me. If you are approaching retirement, or if you've already crossed that finish line, your most valuable asset isn't just the money in your 401k. It's your time, and it's your peace of mind. Many of you are looking at your retirement years and thinking about starting a small consulting business, or maybe you're managing a few rental properties, or perhaps your adult children are starting a home service business and you are trying to help them manage it without losing your mind or your hard-earned savings. Then you hear this name thrown around, Housecall Pro, and you're sitting there asking yourself, what type of app is Housecall Pro? And do I actually need to care about this? Let's get real right now. The biggest fear when you are managing any kind of project, especially later in life, is chaos. It's the fear of losing track of paperwork, missing appointments, forgetting who owes you money, and letting your hard-earned money slip through the cracks of a disorganized system. You don't want to be chained to a desk, shuffling through legal pads and sticky notes, trying to figure out which technician or contractor went to which house, or whether an invoice was actually paid. You did not work your entire life to spend your retirement years stressed out over operational mess. So what exactly is Housecall Pro? Let me break it down for you simply without the technical jargon. Housecall Pro is a cloud-based field service management software. That is a fancy industry term, but what it really means for you is that it is an all-in-one digital command center designed specifically for service-based businesses. Think about plumbers, electricians, carpet cleaners, HVAC technicians, or property managers. It is an application designed to take every single moving part of a service operation, scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, payment processing, and customer communication, and put it into the palm of your hand, right on your smartphone or tablet. I want you to understand the problem this solves, because too many people waste thousands of dollars hiring administrative help or buying 5 different software subscriptions that don't talk to each other. When you are running a business or managing properties, you have a flow of events. A customer calls. You need to schedule them. You need to send someone out there. You need to estimate the cost. Then you have to do the work. Then you have to bill them. Then you have to chase them down for the money. If you are doing this the old-fashioned way, you are wasting hours every single week. Housecall Pro connects all those dots automatically. It takes the friction out of the machine. Now, you might be asking, Susie, I'm not a tech genius. Is this going to be too complicated for me? This is a valid question. The fear of new technology keeps so many people stuck in inefficient habits that drain their energy. But here is the reality. Housecall Pro was built to be intuitive because the people using it are out in the field getting their hands dirty, not sitting in a corporate office. It streamlines the communication. When a job is scheduled, the system can automatically send a text message to the customer saying, "We are on our way," and it can even show them a picture of who is coming. That builds immediate trust. And trust is currency. Let's talk about the money, because you know I care about your cash flow. One of the greatest features of this type of app is the invoicing and immediate payment processing. How many times have you done a job or had a contract completed, and then weeks go by before an invoice is sent out? And then more weeks go by while you wait for a check in the mail? That is dead money. Housecall Pro allows you or your workers to generate an invoice on the spot, right from the app, the second the job is done. The customer can pay digitally right then and there. It secures your income instantly, which keeps your working capital healthy and protects your retirement reserves from being tapped into just to cover temporary business expenses. Your actionable takeaway today is to audit how you are currently managing your daily operations or your rental properties. If you are spending more than 2 hours a week writing down schedules, texting back and forth with clients about arrival times, or chasing down unpaid bills, you are losing money and you are losing your life's energy. You need to look into a field service management tool like Housecall Pro to centralize everything. Go look at their platform, see how the scheduling grid works, and understand that by automating these tedious, stressful tasks, you are buying back your freedom. Protect your time, streamline your business, and keep your financial house perfectly in order.